This monster. Okay. Tea light.
Or a romantic dinner.
This is what I was looking for. Hey Ian. Yeah.
Good to see you guys on the island. And
Oh, whakalakalai atu. Hope everybody's okay.
Whakawege tua kua wheriwei e te
yeah, Chibos. Oh, number one.
Whakalakalai atu ke Dr. Rosi, your boy Niue and Steak here. And
welcome you to Niue. Jay Hikau here with Life on the Rock. Good to see you for Reverend John. Okay, whakaalofa atu kau. Kohoko motoro ki Niue. Just got here and Amy and Ian got us look like that nice cooked chicken and the banana. What's under here? Ooh, oh, stacked. Some Niue steroids. Ooh, man. Doika. Momisi. It's an otter. Put the plate out. Apparently there's a bodybuilding competition on Wednesday or Thursday, so at Clayton's Bar, so maybe we'll be back on stage. Alright. O mai a mautolo ki Limu Pools I Namakulu. Just arrived. There's only 2-3 other sets of people. Can't wait. First stop, Limu. E longa tō tangata I Niue. Leva e kise tō tangata. Not many people, it seems like in Niue at the moment, not like last year. When we were driving through, it seemed pretty abandoned. Maybe because it's a work day, maybe not, but we're here at Limu Pools. Very tropical over here. Whiwhia motolo ge kaukau e tahi. Yeah, first stop. We're all feeling tired, but hopefully when we jump in the water we'll start to feel alive again. Alright, hope you're enjoying the video. More spots to come. We've just seen the itinerary for the Pulefakamotu week, the Independence Week. Seems like they've got a few activities. They got a few activities lined up, so manako ke whanu ke tau mena ke tau se e tapu nei. Okay, whakoe ki manuina. Pongi atu, whakalofa atu. I'm just here at Alan Tunnel's gym in Alofi Tokolo. Came to start my workouts first morning, and I've just read the competition is on the 29th of October here at the gym, and then the main one Thursday 30th October, Clayton's. Unfortunately we leave on the 24th, Monday. That's what happens when you book your flights in February without checking. So unfortunately we'll miss the bodybuilding comp this year, but I'll still train. Here's the gym. Nice, tidy, clean. Got the squats, the bench, power rack, squats and chin-ups, and deadlifts over here. Yep. Mitakilahi e aho. Mitakilahi aho nei. We're very happy we made it. Regardless of being here for the comp or not, I'm still happy, family's happy, everyone's excited. Today we might go check out Matapa Pools. Yeah, hope you guys are all well back in NZ, Aussie. Okay, weather, it's pretty warm. Bit warm now. And chickens were going on from about 4 AM in the morning. So that was a bit of a wake-up call for us. And yeah, Okay, Munuine aho, to Filveia. Alright fams, we're here at the World Food Day. We're in the Pulefakamotu. We've got the judges here. I know Pauline and I know Leroy. These are the judges. They're just going to go and judge the food. We judge the food's all along here. We've got the guests around here. And we're just going to wait and see them. It's pretty packed. Pretty packed in here. People behind me at the doors. We're just going to go and judge. Yep. World Food Day. Okay. I think we came a bit late. It started at 6 a.m. We could have went and had a look at the produce, but now it's they're judging. Yeah, unfortunately my family Niue, it was all spoken in Niue language. Good for the people on the island, which is good. So we're off now. Gonna go check out K-Mark. Yep. Okay, that's in the Pulefakamotu. We're just off. Shout out to Leroy. Jackson. He's one of the judges. That's my cousin. He's the island dentist. Okay. We're here in the Alofi swimming spot, Utuko. Nice and calm. Got 4 sailboats out there. Just had to walk from down there. I whai tangata ko mautoluni. Nice. Have a quick swim. We just saw John Pule, the artist. He was just chilling. Chickens are still roosting. Okay, mawhala.
We're John's kids, and we're just bored because our dad's just talking with someone, and we're in Niue right now. Can you follow us on TikTok? Because
Dad's talking with this bodybuilding, deadlifting.
Yeah, we're gonna do bodybuilding.
Yeah.
Muscle.
Yeah.
Show your muscle, brother. Oh, I don't see anything on mine. But yeah, follow us and bye. Whoever's watching this, who are you? And Dad, don't delete this. Let me eat it all.
First umma for the day. This is from Jenna and Anton. And Jenna's mum. We just went to drop off something. Yum.
How do we get that?
Okay. Thank you, Jenna. And Anton. Good chat with your mum too.
Yes?
I just want to eat some also.
Okay, people, I'm at the Business Expo. I'm with, hi, you want how again? Tuli, that's right, the Tuli. He's got this fruit bowl.
This one's called Pacific Mahogany.
Yeah, Pacific Mahogany. And how many hours do you think you put on this one?
About 2 days.
Whoa, this one, candle holder.
Yeah, this from tea light.
Yeah.
Tea light, eh?
Tea light.
Tea light.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Your romantic dinner with your wife, with your friend.
Yeah.
Local mahogany.
Yeah. Local mahogany. Okay.
We used to build makeup, you know?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Ja, half lang hier toe. Whakawege tua kua wheriwei te motu. Waha whiawhia Pulefakamotu. longa de meno tupe mutu mga ne. Ela he fia. Fere we foki me ta me kai nanga me New Zealand. Mai hana no hua ke tu mau me langa ki hake e whakabeanga he mui whakaniwe koe mga hau. Ko tai just a really tama koe taki fo e pahe mga hau Niue e mutu. The new chairperson of the Niue Language Commission. Si pe tau mamana ke ana ke langa ki hake me asi hake whakamalo e wakauniwe tau Niue na nei ni ke motu
Kalafatu Makau. Here with the Queen of Hakupu, my auntie Puasina.
Kalafatu, Maui Pulefakamotu. Thank you, John.
Thank you, auntie.
I'll get that.
All made by year 5 and 6s, eh?
Yep.
La Bubu. Yo.
Oi, Lafatu. Unene aho whatata yo motu me ke.
Oi. Ofe.
Vai how di ke ho. Ja, o manga o se. Kong fu ma fa ma ai o ne ma nei hoko me hoko si me ani.
O hai hingo hao?
O quick. Ma ko lo fu ma ke.
Okay.
Ko privit.
Aya.
Unene.
My name is Tatu. I'm from the village of Hakupu. If you live overseas, NZ, somewhere, come down to Niue. Check out the beautiful sights in Niue, the sea tracks and everything. Also come down to Hakupu, best village in Niue too. Yep.
Kalafatu Makau. We're at the World Food Day in Niue. Poliasi. We're just going around. We're going to go to my cousin's shop, buy some food. I think it's not as busy as it was last year. And here's my cousin. Here's my cousin. She's gone, Julie. This is their store here, selling food. Alright, that's from Hio Cafe, chocolate, iced chocolate. And this is the otai from Julie's shop. Okay, this is the Lisa Niue coconut rice. How's it taste? Is it good? It's got real coconut compared to the stuff you see in Thailand. It's like coconut milk. And then also we got the kebab. That's from Auntie Senu's shop. Thank you to Auntie Senu and Sefeti. Auntie Senu and Uncle Sefeti for giving they gave the kids some drink too. How's the kebabs, guys?
It's called Niue.
Do you like it? Oh, good feedback.
5 star.
And this was from Hio Cafe. It's all gone. And the otai was from Julie, my cousin Julie's shop. Still haven't got into the snapper plate. And here's the snapper plate.
This is mine. I'm gonna open mine. Hey,
I'm not sure if they have snappers in Niue, but it might be from NZ.
Ew, my hot chocolate.
Yeah, this is the produce.
I wanna.
Yeah. Whoa.
I don't want it to pinch me.
Look at that. Oh, that's a massive one. That's avocado. Yeah. Hey, Jenna. Hey. Okay.
Whakalawhalai atu ke mutolosi, maue kua mai ke whelewehe he aho nei. Koe aho whakatata ke lata mo e aho show day Niue whikai. I'm really happy to be here, first time here actually, to enjoy this with my family. So I've come to Niue many times, but I've never really caught the National Show Day or the Constitution itself. So yeah, milestone for us, and also to celebrate us voting here at home. So yeah, beautiful memories to share with the family and with Niue. Wonderful to be here. Lauilahi.
Oh, go it. If you took a look. Nice. Careful. This is where Craig was from. Don't go. This monster. Tuapa. Hey, Uncle.
Whakalawhalai atu ke Totorosi, your boy Niue Steak here at the National Show Day, Niue 2025. Whakalawhalai mai, ka wanono mai, whakalawhalai, mawhare aho. Woo!
Whakaolahi. Whakaoe.
Hey guys, welcome here to Niue. Jay Hikau here with Life on the Rock. Good to see the brother here today. Come Niue Constitution. It's always good to have our people visit, come back home to Niue. Well, keep up with what you're doing good.
Sorry, man, what's this for?
For my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
For the viewers in New Zealand.
Where you from?
From New Zealand.
Are you in Niue?
Hakupu.
Sorry, mate.
Laumua.
Hey?
Ngaliki.
Yeah, Ngaliki.
Yeah,
Ngaliki. I mean, Ngaliki family.
Yeah. Whakalawha atu Macau, I just got a free pulau from my Hakupu brother. Oh, La Kepa.
Yeah, La Kepa family.
Whakaoe.
Have Hakupu too.
Oh, I met you ice cream shop, eh?
Yeah.
Whakalawha atu. Tongiaman, that's right.
Hey, he's from Hakupu too.
Yes.
Mautama. Mautama family. Lomo is a grandmother, right?
Yeah,
right?
Lomo, yeah, great grandmother.
Yeah, it's my grandfather is sister, great grandfather, sister to Lomo.
Yeah.
Brother and sister.
Mautama.
Mautama, yeah.
Yeah, Uluwaki, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah. Sorry, mate, I didn't know you were.
Whakaoe, that's right. Your lalanga e pulau, eh?
I did.
Yeah, and what's the kato? Is this a kato?
Yeah, this is a kato used for put the food inside. When you go fishing, especially go fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we use to put the fish inside. You can also make it as a swing for a baby.
Swing for the baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
The string on the side here, put a pillow on the side,
Yeah.
breakfast, cover everything, put the baby inside, easy, push.
Oh.
Make it go sleep.
Makaka.
Baby go sleep. Stop crying too.
Gee.
Yeah, right, that's it.
Whakaoe, and ko hei hingoa how?
Camel, Mautama.
Camel?
Yeah.
Camel
And
Mautama.
then they know me as a Puluma.
Pulumoa?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Whakaoe.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, bro. Nice
Cheers.
knowing you too, brother.
Yeah, tōleo ke whelewea.
Tōri ke whelewea doa.
Here's the nane we got from Auntie Lofa, Whakuelahi. Best in town. Danielle loves that. Jackson, he loves the pitako. Yeah, man, his favorite, his new favorite now. Loves the pitako. That was from Namakulu, I think. And here we got my my pulau, Whakuelahi, and my Nimo te hingoa. Ili. I forgot. Sorry. And As you can see, my face is lanukula as. That's why we had to come back, because I was almost gonna faint. The sun was too hot. I wasn't even in the sun today, but my face is bright red. And my shoulders. You can see my shoulders. Too hot. Oh.
So hot.
It's my tapa. Oh. My tapa chasms. Ika tabaki.
You stop thinking it?
Yeah?
Stop videoing?
Yeah, stop. Yeah. You want to say something for the video? Yeah.
I was just asking.
You competing?
Yeah, just giving time now.
Oh, yeah. Whakalofa atu makau. Hey, what's up, cuz? Hey, follow. Hey? Oh, yeah, my follow.
Koi ngota? Mafadu. Olo nakai. Chalofa.
Oh, yeah. Are you competing?
Huh? Yeah, competing. Yeah. Chubos. Oh, number 1, 180.
Is it?
Number 1 bullshit guy.
Here we go. I was just getting ready to go sleep and Auntie Mana came and dropped off a massive unga for us. So everyone's excited, getting the plates back out. We're just
I dipped this one.
cleaning up, but now we're gonna get back into this. Whakawalahi, that's the Niue life. You don't know what happens. You're lying in bed, next minute a unga gets dropped off at your doorstep. Lift it up and...
I dipped that one. Oh!
Oh, it's huge. Oh yeah. Whakalofa atu makau. We're here in Liku. We drove all out this way to check out the Hikulangi Sculpture Park. Just noticed on the drive here, the Liku village is very clean. Lawns are kept well. Very beautiful. And I've never been here before, but this is the sculpture park over here behind us. It's a bit of a hot day today. As you can see, there's a donation box. So if you've got any donations, will be used for future development of the park. Awesome. That's cool. It's nice. There's quite a few sculptures over here. Yeah, just cool. Ko mai motolu ki Avesele Bay. Ko motolu ni. Tamako Tonga. Oh, nice beach, Inga. That's where the river in Inga Mopale is from, Tamako Tonga. Beautiful. Ok, Oki Mai bar, just up there. And this is the Oki Mai swimming spot, sea track, Tamaku Tonga sea track.
Let's go! Wait, take another one. Take another one. Take another one. Ready?
Just noticed in Abasele and now Oki Mai, the water's quite clear. In Utuko and Limu pools, there's a little bit of like a glazy look on the top of the water. Not sure if it's soap or sunblock, but it's like soapy, glazy looking. But over here, you can see it's just clear. There's no glazed look on the top surface. I think it's because there's a lot of these. The sea cucumber, they help clean the water. But in Limu and Utuko, there was no sea cucumbers anywhere, so maybe that's why the water wasn't as clear. But you look over here, it's clear as. I think there's so many of these up, down that way. Okay. Whakalahi tō leo ke whelewehia. Whakalawhatu Makau, we're here at the Niue Constitution 2025.
Yeah. Got some free drinks, free wine then. Yeah. Free wine. No beers though, just wine. No spirits. Because what happened last year, people got carried away.
Yeah.
For the bush, it's good for the build.
Yeah.
Because I'm here to build my house, and I'm looking forward to finishing before I get back to work. I was brought up in Niue, lucky. I was 20 when I left Niue. It was back in 86. Now I'm back home. It's no good if you're coming back here with your walking stick or your wheelchair. Come back while you're strong and healthy. At least you can spend 10, 20 years of your life here before you're on a walking stick and a wheelchair. And my advice is for you guys to come back home.
And greetings in the name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Well, for Reverend John, Divine Paul Talang. Mga nei hay fia limfu mata Pulefakamotu Niue kia lofi ki halmahanga si royal ke brother wa mai ki interview mga nei yeah so wala tu ki am tolosi ko mamata mai ma follow to fia mga nei go to breakfast. And so greetings and in the name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Well, right here in Kalamahanga Lofi in Niue, we're just going to have breakfast. It's the 51 celebrations of the Niue Constitution. So thank you very much for this opportunity, John, Eric, Muscle Man guy. So yeah, we're having a good time. And today, the Prime Minister and the Reverend was encouraging everyone to work together towards better Niue, prosperous Niue, and for both present and generations to come. Kia munena!
Out for the lads, swing some arms, yeah.
Yeah, whakaoe for the training session, tōlene, whoo!
Yeah, no, it was a good workout. He came here at 6 o'clock this morning, did our arms and pumped now, so he's ready to go and plant some taros. Yeah, no, we just did arms today, triceps and biceps. What are we having for breakfast?
Unga.
Unga. Yeah, unga. Yeah, we have unga and taro. The Niue steroids, it's taro and unga and corned beef. Alright,
Yep.
Let's wrap it up, bro.
Whakawelahi. Whakalawha Makau. Monui nea how whanau, Ari. How are you?
I'm feeling good.
Birthday. Okay, we're here for Crazy Onga breakfast for Ari's birthday. Oh, okay, let's go check out the menu, eh?
Let's go.
Whakalawha Makau. We're here at Crazy Onga. Just got our milkshakes, waiting for our crazy breakfast. We're coming close to the end of our trip. It's all been awesome here, meeting everyone. Shout out to Jean and Andrew for the coconuts and pawpaw yesterday. Delicious.
I'm buying another one.
It's good to see your slice of paradise. Good to meet everyone here. Saw Ian this morning. He came and helped us put the token on the house. We thought there was a power outage, but we just didn't know. No, not we, me. Didn't know how to put the power token on. So yeah, we're gonna come here for Crazy Onga for breakfast, then we might go to Matabai for dinner.
Might?
We will go to Matabai for dinner. Yeah, we're just enjoying our last few days. Might go see, here we go. Here's the family, all happy.
What about Mom?
Probably won't be back here until April for our Longmore reunion. So that should be good. But that time will be a lot busier because a lot of the cousins will be here as well. So now it's just a holiday of just us. My mom's not here, my brother's not here. They're usually here when we're here, but not this time. Alright, see ya. No, he's not here. Okay, thanks for watching. Friends, if you've made it this far, whakawelahi. And kia manuina. Crazy tasty.
I need my glasses off.
Me and Ali.
This one's got lots of bacon too.
Can I have
Whakalawha Makau, we're just on our way to Matapa. We're just passing Tuapa. And I think that house over there. Shout out to David Lakatani and his brother Jack. If that's not your house, then apologize, but yeah. We're just going on our way to Tuapa. I thought I'd give a shout out to my friend David Lakatani because he's always watching the vids. Shout out to your family, Dave. Hope everything's all good. Nice overcast today. We're pretty makona from the Crazy Onga Crazy Breakfast. We got Hio Cafe just over here on the left. It's always been hafangi, hafangi tumo. So there they got a bit of a pizza oven going on. Itakilahi. So yeah, thank you. We're just coming up to Namakulu. Alright, whakalawha. We're just passing Andrew. Whakalawha. Eke ha. Oh. Whakolahi e tau 4 new. Whakolahi e tau 4 new. Humbu? Yeah. Oki Matapa. Yeah. Oki Koko. Eh? Okay, Andrew. Manui ni aho. Hiya. Yeah, that was Andrew. He gave us some nice coconuts yesterday with his lovely wife Jean. Yep, and now we're off to Matapa. There I was just trying to practice my Vangaho Niue. Getting there. not the smoothest, but trying. This is the Namakulu ramp. And this spot here, Limu Pools, always busy. Every time we come past, there's someone here. So, yeah, here's the tourists. Yeah, this spot always busy. Yeah, Limu, Namakulu. Now we're on our way to Hikotavake. Okay, just made it back to Hikotavake, Matapa. I just want to show you, if you followed my other video, here's the Fale Ako. Well, that's looking pretty good. And we've made it to Matapa Chasm. I think this is the third time we've been here. Third time. We love this spot. We're just gonna park under the shade. Hopefully no coconuts. Always mindful. We don't want the car to get injured. Okay, and here we are. Gonna go for a swim. Okay, guys. Monuine aho to leo ke whelewaia. Hoko o hoko. Ai whai tangata. Mi takilahi whiwhi manga whaua ke koukou. Kai wela e aho nei. Makalili e vai. Yep, just got here. It's pretty warm and hot. Family's happy we made it because it's pretty hot. Water's always cold down here, so yeah, that's us. Alright, come here for lunchtime before we go back and chill before Matavai. Okay, whakolahi, Hikotavake. Just made it to Matavai Resort. It's nice and breezy, not too hot, good weather. Hey. It's the pool, there's no one here. We've got a dance group up there. It's pretty nice. For a little walk. There you go, overcast. Got a little platform there. Might be for weddings. Who knows? Lole lahi au. Vele lahi au honei. Manako o ke mohe. We're gonna go order some food now for Matavai. These guys are already in. Alright. Ki monuina to liu ke whelewaia.
Oh, hot.
Okay, whakaalawha te makau. I'm here in Hakupu, Auntie Paul's house. Finally got to meet Leroy's kids and Reese's kids. We've got, want to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Dawson, 19 years old. My name is Tale and I'm 9 years old.
Tale.
My name is Siri and I'm 12.
My name is Ria and I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. And here's our beautiful auntie, Auntie Paul.
Hello family. Alofatu.
Whakalahi Amy too for making the cake. And Auntie Paul for letting us use her house to celebrate. We're just getting the tour from Auntie Paul. This is the Niue Council's room. Okay.
For the
ECE.
the ones who are birth to what?
Oh yeah.
Under 4.
Yeah.
Under 4.
Oh.
They come here on Mondays. They're hardly in. Right, where am I bringing this?
Bastard.
The kitchen is just the sink. Nothing else.
This is the hall. Tuasea Hall. Hakapu Fitness Center. This is the Hakapu Youth Community Center. Just had the tour by Auntie, just showing us. So when we come in April, we'll kind of know what to expect. Okay, just had the view of the Tuasea Hall. Bye! The Niue Hakapu Women's Council, the gym, and the Youth Community Center. Looks amazing. That's the toilets there that go to the hall. We're just going on our way to Anapala now. We're just going to have a look. Can you have that, please, Dan? Anapala Hakapu. Here it goes here. Hakapu. We'll just see what it's like. Hopefully the roads have been repaired. Had a great talk with Auntie Pulefakamotu for the viewing. And here we are, Halaki Anapala. It's about 30 degrees at the moment, southeasterly winds, overcast. Nah, there's no overcast. You're gonna need your sun hat and sunscreen. Here we go. I don't want to say whose house is who because I've got this wrong in the past. So there's a house to the left. I won't say whose house is that. Big house over there. I think there's a swimming pool. Here we have my Auntie Heke's house. That's called Tuhia Sunrise. It's nice. Nice house up there. And we're continuing down.
Is this where the spider goes? I'm sorry.
It's pretty steep down here.
I have claustrophobia.
It is cool.
We had a Navy diver. He's been a diver since 1980. Gave me the confidence to go to the other side. That's the first time I've made it ever. Mataku. Eilo e tau mena e ki lalo i. Yeah, so thank you to our UK Navy diver. It's amazing. First time for everything. Wrong story. This is the entrance to hunting area. Yeah, but you have to know where you're going or you'll get lost. But yeah, I just thought I'd record that. Shout out to Punapa, my grandfather, and Suva for taking me hunting one time. I think that was in 2014. That's 11 years ago. Yep. Just gonna go down to the Tuhia Sea Track.
Jackson and Ari going on, not me.
But get up, but Ari, me and Mum, Ari, me.
Alright, back here at the tombstone. That's my great-grandfather Elika. That's where the air comes from. But I'm just not sure if this is Hanga Malia. That's Elika's mum. So forgive me, am I wrong? Because I was told my grandpa put this on top. So we'll see. I gotta come back. There's no actual plaque here, but I'm guessing that's Hanga Malia. If not, forgive me. Yeah, this is Elika, Lomo's first husband. Died in 1995. Okay. Whakaalofa to Macau. Here at Victor's place. No, that says Talo Heights. Here at Victor's place. See that? I think this is the first Asian takeaway here in Olofi. Not sure. Just getting some fried rice for the kids and some stir-fried chicken. It's about 6:30, going on 7. Nice cool night. If you, on the camera it looks quite bright, but actually it's dim. It's funny how the camera's catching it. But as you can see, got a tan, got the beard. Mana ko ke hifi e hafe aku. Fire truck. Man, lots of fires going on today. Not sure why. Good trip. Love Niue. This will be the last constitution I come to for the next 3 years because my daughter's doing NCEA. So I want to be in New Zealand. They don't want to take any time off school. Hope you've had a great trip. We feel like here que see it all time que see Pulefakamotu mo mui Niue. Very happy that I can see my kids grow up and experience the Constitution and have a good time. Yeah. Get to know the culture. And main thing, seeing them grow up, spending family time. Privileged to be able to spend time with my kids, take them out of school and spend some time here. But the next level will be like what Anton's doing, what Glenn Jackson has done. Just living on the island with your kids. But yeah, something to aim for. Thank you to everyone that's, all the people in Niue that did some insights on what the real Niue life is like, and the ones that have moved over and how they're finding it. Also the locals, the people who were born and bred here, that's keeping the island alive. Because there's a lot of nations coming in, a lot of government workers from other countries, Fiji, Solomon, Samoa. It's like the Pacific Realm. Yeah. Happy. Fifio. Happy to be alive. Happy to be with the family. Just waving to everyone that goes past. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Kia monuina. Tō leo ke wheleweia. Utolu. Yep, whakaalofa to my co-host, my Uncle Ian. He always helps us out.
Hey Joe.
Hey Ian.
Yeah. Good to see you guys on the island, and pity that we didn't have enough time to catch up. So everyone is busy. Why? Malolo mo anyway. Matul. Ini mto mo. Saya feel boleh mo kaya matam, may mafo ko may kaya may gini. Taki foki ka. Hak makai mo mari mo show remote. Pulefakamotu. Ini foki Pulefakamotu Niue. Le fia que se era uma forma mai volta aí. Vamos lá vai tu fine mo kai. ai mai hanei ko mui mai ai me na November ke lati me do hopi to kelikel si nak ni ke mundu ni do mai mau chan di do tum to gi kalan mundu ni kenang mutul pe ni ga mutul ni no fe mutu to nak ki flewe he de ko to wat mutul gi kalan gi lati me break off mutul di to Niue kalan mo Australia. Mình đấy, nên phải đóng được phải đi về là mà có quý muộn. Đó là cho.
Oi.
Oh, whakalahiatu. Hope everybody's okay. Condolences to Eddie's family, Eddie Eric. Been very strong for the netball over in New Zealand and over here in Niue. But it'll be a big loss for us, and condolences to the family. Hope you guys make it through. Pretty sure you will. Yeah, pretty good. Had pretty good family. But for myself, yep, I've been here for a little while, just doing a lot of mahi, as they say, up in the bush. But yeah, totally enjoying myself. Just gonna head back shortly and see the family. But yeah, everybody back home. Beautiful over here. Make sure you come over. Yeah, kia.